Yeah, I just wanted to show you or pretty much unbox my Dior package. They were doing like this promotion. You know how they have like promo codes? I'll leave it down below if it still works, but there was no minimum purchase or minimum like dollar amount for it. So I got the least expensive thing that they had, and I got all of this as like complimentary like samples and stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it with that. Has a really pretty little, love how they package everything. Let's see. It's pretty much what I got here. The thing that I purchased was this Dior silky soap. So it was like literally 30 bucks. So that was the more or less. I literally don't need any of this, but of course I just like to buy things. So I took everything out of the little sample little bag here. They always give they always put your samples and complimentary stuff in this little cute bag. So samples that I got here was the Dior Prestige, their micro hula de rose. This is like an advanced serum. So I got that one for as a sample. Another one that I got as a sample was their Cell Energy cream. And those are the two samples that they gave out, like that you can pick, and all of these are their complimentary free gift with purchase, like the thing that they were doing, plus this bag here. So let's go ahead and see what we got. We got another of their super potent serum. Looks like this. I love the small packaging. Then I got the Miss Dior perfume, really cute tiny packaging here with the little bow. So, then I got a little sample here of, or actual pretty good size of the Dior perfume, the original one, I believe. Really cute. Then I got their new one. I believe this is a new one. This is their Dior perfume, but the like more intense Infinsim one. It's called Infinsim. I don't know how I'm pronouncing it, but it comes in this like white packaging compared to the just a clear one. So this is pretty much the bag. It's like a see-through type of bag. It has the Dior right there, and then Dior there. And I thought it's going to be a little bit better looking, but it's just like not flimsy or anything. I don't know how to describe it, but you can see it's like a see-through type. It's like mesh type of product. But yeah, it's okay. Not my favorite that I gotten from them. But yeah, it's pretty much what I got in here. Yeah, that's pretty much all that I got. All of these samples. Pretty much I'm excited for like perfumes and stuff. So yeah.